Hello, in this video I will show you how to use the Pinterest pinning feature of the SMP Social Mass Poster plugin I will release soon. So, to get the Pinterest pinning started, go into the plugin's main settings, scroll down, and you will see Pinterest settings. Here you must enter the Pinterest app ID and app secret you have. To get one, click here and click Create App. Add a name and a description to the app, click Continue, and you will receive a Pinterest app ID and paste it here, and app secret. Don't bother using these because I will delete them after I finish this video. Save settings. Now that you have an app ID and app secret saved, go to Pinterest pinning menu screen of the plugin and follow the instructions. So, we already created the app, this is checked. Set the redirect URL to this address. So we should copy this link the plugin provides us, go to plugin settings, scroll down and search for redirect URLs. Paste the link here, hit enter for it to save, and save changes again. So don't forget to hit enter when you paste the URL here, and afterwards save changes. Okay, now we can head back to the plugin and click authorize the app. Note that if your website does not support HTTPS, then after you accept the Pinterest authorization, you must change the URL from HTTPS to HTTP for the plugin to work. I will demonstrate this in a moment. If your website supports HTTPS, you don't have to do any additional stuff. So let's click authorize. Let's click OK. Click advanced, proceed. Here you should enter the password for your WordPress if your WordPress logged out, and the authorization worked. Notice that if your website does not support HTTPS, then in the upper bar where the web address is located, simply clear the HTTPS and hit HTTP. Maybe once again password will be required, but this is not an issue. Enter the password and authorization is successful. Now you can enable pinning. Here you will have listed all the boards that were created by the user that just registered the app that you entered. So the Pinterest app that was registered by the user, his boards will be available here. Let's say I want to pin to testing board. Also, you can set a delay for posting from which the post is populated by the plugin to which the Pinterest pinning is made. You can enter a delay here. You can select an option to post only to a random board. So if you select here more boards and check this option, only to one random board will be the posting made at a time. If you select more boards here and uncheck this, then to all boards that you selected, the post will go to all boards. Okay. You can change the message template. You can change post title, post link, and even more shortcodes. You can play with these shortcodes and change the message template that is sent to Pinterest. disable auto posting of posts, pages, custom post types, selected categories. Click here to select the category list. Disable auto posting of selected tags, post only local media, or if you want to post only local files, check this. And also you can enter a list of proxies that the plugin should use. So you can enter a comma separated list of proxies that the plugin will use when posting to Pinterest. Okay, now hit settings, save settings. Now we can go to the plugin and let's start generating some posts. I have already pre-configured the plugin here. If I hit now save, then one post will be generated for me. First of all, let's check our Pinterest wall where the post should go, the testing. This is the wall. These are the latest images. Now let's check out our website. Now the Pinterest pinning is made. So this is a post generated by the plugin. You can see it looks like this. Now we should check back to the Pinterest wall and see the pins have been published. So the two posts that were just created were already published on Pinterest with the post title attached. Okay, so as you can see, the Pinterest feature of the plugin is really easy to use. Feel free to get used to it and play with it as you wish. Until next time, bye bye.